puddle jumping with Daddy Pig and Addison. And maybe Moo Moo. Da, 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 da. Oh, you stopped! Can I see that cute little face? It has chalk all over it. Oh, why that face? Watch out, Moo Moo. Here, I'll bring her in. She's about ready to go in. Or she might have to go pee-pee. Come here, Moo. Can you sit? Good girl. Just a good girl. Okay. Let me get this off.
Don't let her go.
She'll stay right here. Go potty. Go potty. Go pee-pee. Go potty, Moo Moo. Go on. Go potty. She's such a pretty pup. I can't believe she's 8 years old. Can you sit? Oh, it's in the water. Sorry, Moo. Never mind. Come on, let's go in here. I'm going to put her inside. Well, actually, I'll put the gate up. Oh, yeah. Look, before I get... Oh, Daddy Pig. He can do it. There's my scar. Eddie and I did a scar chalk during this rainy day. All right. Boom. Psh, 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 psh. Very good. I'm making the sound effects for you to make it sound like he's really jumping. All right, Ed, we got to get cleaned up. Get some lunch.
I'm going to do a big sound.
Wow.
Watch when I come back.
I'm ready. Very nice, Ed. Gentle.
Mama.
You ready to go eat some foodies? Ooh, what did I say about clothes biting though, babe? Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little cold too. Let's go get dry and clean. Does that sound like a good idea? Does that sound like a good idea?
I'm going to make a song.
A song, really? Oh, careful. Oh.
You're done on the lawnmower.
Mm-hmm. Well, look at how green our yard is. It is October. I would love to take a bike ride soon, but not right now, Ed. It's either October 1st or 2nd.